The other thing I just want to mention on what Prof said, about sometimes you forget something that's switched on. The problem with our cell phones today is that two things. What I said about the screen brightness, that doesn't only count for your laptop, it counts for your cell phone as well. Now, if I leave my cell phone screen brightness on bright and I switch my phone off, it still affects me because with the battery in, it's on standby. Okay? So it doesn't help to just switch your phone off. When you switch it off, you have to put the screen brightness down. The other example, and this actually happened last night, the cell phones behind the scenes, even though we put, and I've measured this so many times lately, even if you put flight mode on, it doesn't disable all radio frequency. There's still Wi-Fi scanning, there's still Bluetooth scanning, to mention only 2 radio frequencies. Now, what happened last night, let me just finish this quickly, Nadine. So what happened last night is, on Johan's phone, the Wi-Fi scanning went on. So typically what happens is if you open Google Maps, it switches on Wi-Fi scanning. And once that happens, I mean, that phone of yours is sending radio frequency all the time. So you have to literally check every day before you go to bed if Wi-Fi scanning is on your phone, and if it's not, you have to switch it on because the phone switches it on by itself.
That's what I wanted to say. Yeah, I have really picked up on this. Really, the cell phone does it by itself. And I've often checked it. I do it about twice a day, 3 times a day. You will go somewhere to the mall and you come back from the mall and suddenly your Wi-Fi scanning has switched itself back on.
It does.
So I've become, Oliver and I are very good with checking this 3 times a day at least.
Yeah. I just